Creating is the art of producing something, a concept or a product from our artistic, imaginative, or intellectual capacity, conceiving an idea to create something magnificent that enhances people's lives, maintaining focus on what we know will lead us to take a great leap, choosing the path that may not be the easiest, but will undoubtedly make us greater, finding in every challenge a new opportunity to continue creating things that will be the future tomorrow. This is how we will grow stronger every day, because like steel, we are firm, we are tough, and we ally to strengthen our capabilities. We are Maindsteel Group. Founded in 2006, Maindsteel Automotive has positioned itself as a leader in the automotive parts market and the commercialization of metal products for different applications. With a strategic location in the state of Aguascalientes, we have access to all points of the Mexican industrial corridor, as well as the main commercial ports, to establish an effective supply chain. Thanks to our experience in the market, we ensure reliability and consistency in the manufacturing of parts. Our experts develop the best projects. We design, machine, assemble, and test each product to ensure excellent marketing. We supply a large number of parts for the automotive industry. Our production processes include technologies such as laser cutting, CNC bending for tube, wire, and sheet metal, stamping, MIG welding, TIG welding, projection welding, electrostatic painting, e-coat painting, among others. Our strength lies in our vision for the future, convinced that what we do today is building a better tomorrow. Because we are strong, we are creative, we are creators, and we have a team of people who take on great challenges. We are Maindsteel Automotive, manufacturing at the level of the global market.